Hello students, welcome back to my channel, that is Study with Prabin Sir. Today we will learn some more questions of chapter percentage. These questions are coming in different competitive exams such as railways, banking, SSC. So let's get started. Now type 31, question number 40. A man spends 60% of his income. His income increases by 15% and his expenditure also increases by 5%. Find the percentage increase in his saving. Listen, a man spends 60% of his income. Let income is 100. Income is 100. Expenditure is 60% of income, so it is 60. Now income minus expenditure, so that is equal to saving. Income minus expenditure, so that is equal to saving. So here saving is 40. Now his income increases by 15%. Now here his income is increased by 15%. So new income is 115. His expenditure also increases by 5%. Here expenditure is also increases by 5%. Now that means 5%, his expenditure also increases by 5%. That means it is 5% of 60. So 5% of 60 is 3. Now so new expenditure is 60 plus 3, that is 63. Now this is equal to income minus expenditure, so that is saving. Now 115 minus 63, so it is coming as 52. Now find the percentage increase in his savings. That means earlier the saving was 40, now it is 52. So here increase is 52 minus 40, so that is equal to 12. Percentage increase is equal to increase divided by, now percentage increase is increase divided by original value. So here original value was 40 into 100. So that is equal to, this 0 cancels this 0. Now 4 3s are 12. So that is equal to 30%. That means here the option A is the right answer. Now next question, that is type 32, question number 41. Now find a single equivalent increase if a number is successively increased by 10%, 20% and 25%. Now suppose originally the number was 100. In the first case it is increased by 10%. So it is 110. Again it is increased by 20%. Now 20%, so increase of 20% means 110 plus 20% of 110. So 20% of 110 is 22. So it is 110 plus 22, that is 132. Again, it is increased by 25%. Now, so 25% of 132. 1 by 4, 4 3 is 33. That means it is 132 plus 33. So it is coming as 165. Now, earlier it was 100, now it is 165. So here option B is the right answer. Now one formula is there, and what is that formula? It is x plus y plus z plus xy plus yz plus zx by 100 plus x, y, z by 100 square of 100. By putting these values, so it is 10. So here x first increase is 10%, so x is 10. Second increase is 20%, so y is 20. A third increase is 25%, so z is 25. Plus 10 into 20 plus 20 into 25 plus 25 into 10. 25 into 10 divided by 100 plus 10 into 20 into 25 divided by 100 square. So after solving, we can also get it as 65%. So if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.